The dark web is a part of the internet that is not indexed by traditional search engines and requires specific software such as Tor to access. While the dark web is often associated with illicit activities, it's important to note that it also hosts legitimate uses, such as providing anonymity for journalists and activists in oppressive regimes. Human trafficking. Some dark web marketplaces facilitate the trade of human beings, offering victims for forced labor, sexual exploitation, and other nefarious purposes. These operations are highly secretive and difficult to track. Hitman Services. There are purported listings for contract killers who offer their services for a fee, often paid in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. While many of these listings are scams, there are occasional reports of real transactions. Illegal organ trade. The dark web hosts platforms where users can buy and sell human organs sourced from willing or coerced donors. This trade is highly illegal and dangerous. Child exploitation. The dark web has forums and marketplaces dedicated to the exchange of child pornography and other forms of child exploitation. Law enforcement agencies worldwide work tirelessly to shut these sites down and prosecute those involved. Terrorism extremist groups use the dark web to recruit members, communicate securely, and disseminate propaganda. They may also use it to finance operations through illegal activities or solicit donations. Drug trade. While more commonly known, the depth and extent of drug trade on the dark web can be surprising. Large-scale operations involve the sale of a vast array of narcotics, often shipped worldwide. Weapons trade. Firearms, explosives, and other weapons are sold on dark web marketplaces. These transactions are illegal and bypass traditional regulations, posing significant security risks. Stolen data. The dark web is a marketplace for stolen data, including credit card information, login credentials, personal identification information, and more. Data breaches often result in this information being sold to the highest bidder. Counterfeit goods. From fake currency and documents to counterfeit luxury items, the dark web supports a thriving market for illegal copies and fraudulent items. Hacking services. Users can hire hackers for various illegal activities such as breaking into email accounts, stealing sensitive information, or launching cyber attacks on websites and networks. Unregulated pharmaceuticals. Alongside illegal drugs, the dark web is a marketplace for prescription medications and experimental drugs that are not approved for sale by medical authorities, posing significant health risks. Fraud and scams. Numerous scams operate on the dark web, targeting individuals and organizations. These can range from phishing schemes to more complex fraud operations. These activities underscore the darker aspects of the dark web, making it a significant focus for global law enforcement and cybersecurity efforts. However, it's essential to recognize that not everyone who uses the dark web is involved in criminal activity. Some use it to preserve their privacy and protect their identity in a digital age where surveillance is widespread.